In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your TikTok video.
This video is brought to you by Abby Pies Academy.
TikTok provides a library of music you can choose from. When you begin to record, you can click the plus button right in the middle at the bottom. You click the plus, and you see in the middle on top, there's a little icon that says sounds. You click on top middle, it says sounds, and then you get taken to all the sounds, and you get to choose the sounds. You see, like, let's say I want to listen to Despacito, and I'm not going to choose the one with Justin Bieber, so I'm just going to go Despacito, and that's going to be my sound. Okay, and then when I'm ready to record, wow, up close it wasn't pretty, huh? So when I'm ready to record, it's a lip sync video that I'm going to make. I'm not going to post it because it's going to look terrible, but well, basically when I record, it's going to play this Despacito, and I have to go Despacito, but like without lip sync, without the sound, because it's obviously lip syncing. And then you would upload it, and then right away when it's done, essentially the video would play like this. Except my lip syncing was really bad. So in your case, hopefully it's better than mine, and then you would just upload it. In my case, I'm going to delete it as soon as possible, as fast as possible, because this is just like terrible quality. I'm even sorry you have to see this, but for the tutorial's sake, now at least you know how to add music to your TikTok.